guys, welcome back to another video. We are currently leaving the house. We are gonna go run a few errands. I have both Alex and Leo here. I have some boxes and bags in the back because we're gonna stop by the donation center and leave a few things. I have been going through things for days now and I can finally take them. So we're gonna do, well, we're gonna grab a smoothie first, then we're going to go to the donation center, and then we're going to go to Trader Joe's. I know you guys really like the Trader Joe's hauls, so I am going to show you guys everything that we get. So if you're new to my channel, my name's Allie. I'm an Orlando-based flight attendant, and I vlog about my life as a mom. As a flight attendant, I sprinkle a little bit of lifestyle, a little bit of everything, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's go run some errands. I also forgot that I had to stop by the bank because we sold a few things yesterday, so I had to go deposit that. And then I went to Publix because I needed to pick up something from the pharmacy. And they didn't have my medication ready, so I have to come back. So now we're just getting our smoothies and then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. This is really good. I got the mango kale, and instead of all the juices, I got oat milk. And then I added a multivitamin, fiber, and blue spirulina. It is so good. To fit everything like this, so this is really satisfying. Just finished at Trader Joe's. We spent a little bit more than I wanted to. It came out to $257, but that should last us about a week and a half, and some of the stuff is going to last us a little bit longer because that's just how it is. I have really picky eaters, so they eat the same thing over and over and over again. They have a neutral diet, so I have to pretty much do whatever it takes for them to eat. So okay, we're gonna stop by George's office because he's around here, so we're gonna stop by and say hi to him, and then we're gonna go home. All right, we're finally home. I laid everything out on the kitchen island and we definitely got a lot of things. I did get more than I normally get because I wanted to try a few of the new things, and since we're not gonna have Trader Joe's anymore in Spain, I went a little crazy. But I always get nervous with these because I feel like people like to judge what other people eat. Not all of you, honestly. Like 9 out of 10 of you are super, super, super nice and actually love these. But there's always that like 1% that wants to say like, oh, it's too much processed food. What do you normally feed your kids? And so I always get self-conscious with these. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm doing it for those of you guys that really like these. I've been doing these for years. So let me show you what I got. This is everything. I told you guys I got a lot of stuff. So let's start from over here. I got these olives because I like taking them on my trips. They're just really good snacks. The boys like these pull-apart bread rolls. They like their croissants. I got some sourdough bread, some brioche bread because they like it for breakfast. I ran out of oil, so I had to get the avocado oil. This is one of the products that I wanted to try, the strawberry kettle popcorn. I've heard it's really good. It's chocolate drizzled, so I don't know, but it seemed interesting. Then I got the cookies for the boys, got some rice. I always keep this on hand. Leo wanted to try these. He usually doesn't have these pouches, but I guess he saw a kid eating them, and so now he wants to eat them. Some seaweed. I love seaweed, and I also want to use it for a recipe that I have. This is a seasoned popcorn. It's supposed to be spicy, salty, tangy, and smoky, so we'll see how this is. I got chips for George, so I ended up getting 2 of those. He really likes these. Some strawberries. I should have bought 2 because these don't last any more than 2 days in this house. Eggs. Lucas cheese puffs, some acai bowls because I've really been into acai bowls lately and it gets expensive, so I just wanted to buy my own. I got this for George because he loves tres leches, so I thought it would be a good idea to try. Alex likes these chicken wings, and he wanted to try these ghost pepper potato chips. Then some brioche French toast because the boys like these. These are my favorites. These are for me, but now Leo tried them and I have to share them with him, so I bought 2. He likes these yogurts, some raspberries. Again, I should have bought more because these don't last anymore. Actually, these don't last more than one sitting. They eat this in one sitting. I got jicama sticks because I like to snack on them, and also for salads. Some salmon because I'm going to make a salmon bowl that I saw on TikTok and I have to try it. Some carne asada. We love this carne asada. And then some breakfast sausage patties. I bought 2 because they really like these. The boys really liked these the other day. And then one of the workers told me that this was new, so I wanted to try it. And George likes Danish, so like cheese Danish. So I thought, why not? And sometimes we crave something sweet at night, so it would be good to have this. And then I thought it would be fun to make pizzas with the boys because they love pizza. So I bought the pizza crust, the pizza sauce, pepperoni, and the cheese. Got some avocado, a cucumber, carrots for Alex. He loves to snack on carrots, and some chicken. The Caesar salad is perfect for the carne asada that we get. Got some baby spinach because I love having eggs with spinach, and some iceberg lettuce. These actually looked really good. I've tried different kinds, and it's supposed to be just like the bottom of a waffle cone, like an ice cream cone, and this is so good. So we'll see how the Trader Joe's ones are. Leo's been into cereal lately, and he wanted to try this one. I'm not big on them having cereal, but sometimes I can't get this kid to eat, so whatever I can do to get him to eat, I will do. I got 2 of the Bambino pizzas because they love these little things. They're perfect for when they don't want to eat what I made. This is the milk that I like to get, the oat beverage, unsweetened vanilla. Some croutons, teriyaki chicken, orange chicken. These 2 are a must every time. I got these sweet plantain chips. My cousin actually had them in Spain. She took them from here. And I tried them and I just had to get some. I already got into the bag. They're so good. I like the taco mix. And I get these jalapenos for salads, but also for popcorn. They're so good. Pizza margarita. I like this coconut shrimp with some sauce that I got from Trader Joe's. That's also really good. And then Alex likes chomps, so he got 2. One of the beef ones and then one of the jalapeno ones. This is another one of those new products that I wanted to try because this looks so good. And these are delicious. We had them last time and they were so good, so I had to get more. And tuna, because I like to have lunch or tuna for lunch sometimes. So I just picked up 2. And this is it for the Trader Joe's haul. So I had to get off the camera because George called me. We didn't get to see him before we came home because he went into a meeting right away. But I got into these chocolatey drizzled strawberry kettle popcorn. My goodness, they're delicious. I was not expecting to like them as much as I do. It's so good. So if you have a Trader Joe's nearby and you see this, pick it up and then let me know what you think. 4, 2, 5, start.
Glue.
Luca's gonna help you. And I'm getting ready to do my Bible study to plan out my day, and I'm also going to do a little bit of editing before everybody wakes up. That way I have time to do stuff. So I have been doing this Bible study that I got on TikTok Shop, and I really like it because it like makes you read your Bible. And I am not very good at knowing what to read when I open my Bible, so this tells you what to read. And it's like based off of like, this isn't sponsored by the way, not at all. But I always get asked about my devotional. So if you don't care about devotionals, just like fast forward. But for example, like it'll tell you, let me see, I'm gonna see if I can link it, but because I got it off TikTok Shop, so I don't know how that's gonna work. For example, if you want courage, right? There's a little area right here about courage. It tells you what to read in the Bible. So it's like Esther 1 through 10. It gives you a little outline of it, and then it tells you how to apply it to today. And it has a little meditation area too, which is nice. So you're able to meditate on what you read. And then I go in and I write in this like a journal, and this is how I pray and let everything out. And yeah, that's my little devotional. So you guys are not gonna believe what I just did. I was cleaning this cabinet right here where we keep we used to keep a lot of like cable stuff and like junk stuff. So I left it clean with like only things that we're gonna be using now for the move. And I ended up not recording. I thought I was recording, but I didn't press record. So there's that. But I'm going to make some lunch right now. I'm going to make like a salmon bowl that I found on TikTok. It went viral, but they used like key pie, whatever it's called, mayonnaise. I don't have that, and I'm not about to go out and get it. So I'm just gonna use like regular mayonnaise, and it's got like seaweed, avocado, rice. And this time I am gonna press record. So the salmon is done. I shredded it with a fork, and I put some rice, some avocado. And I think I'm just gonna modify it. I'm not gonna add mayonnaise because I don't really like mayonnaise that much. And instead of making it like a sushi roll, let's say, I'm just going to just crumble it up and then mix everything together. That is really good. Oh my goodness, this is good. It is around 10 a.m. and I decided to get ready for the day. I have some work that I need to do. I need to do some filming. I filmed a TikTok for a brand, and I need to film another TikTok for another brand. And then I have to get this place cleaned because we are actually going to have to leave the house tomorrow because the landlord's showing the place to some possible tenants. We don't have that much time left here. So we have to make sure that, you know, they get the place rented out on time and stuff. So yeah, that's what's happening. I took a shower, I got dressed, I'm wearing my favorite shorts. These are the dad shorts from Abercrombie. They are so comfortable, and I like how long they are because they're not like super short. And then these bodysuits from Amazon, which I really like. I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me over the last few days. I love doing these vlogs like this. I don't know, I have so much fun making them, to be honest with you. So don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here. Make sure you're following me over on social media, and I'll see you guys over in my next video.